Hey guys, Aubrey here. Today I'm doing the Eureka Math Grade 4 Module 5 Lesson 7 homework. So let's get started. Each rectangle represents 1. So number 1, the shaded unit fractions have been decomposed into smaller units. Express the equivalent fractions in a number sentence using multiplication. The first one has been done for you. So what exactly are we doing here, So we're going to pretend we don't see the dotted line right now. Now we have 1/2, so that's the shaded unit fraction. They're saying they've been decomposed into the smaller units. So they made that 1/2 and they created a row of 2. So that's why they took that 1/2, they did 1/2 times 2, which is 2/4, because now you have 2 shaded pieces out of the 4 total pieces. So they made a row of 2 and they got 2/4. So for B, we had 1/2. Okay, you can see 1/2. But then now there's 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. So that's times 4. Half times 4, which will give you 4/8. If you count the pieces, you see 4 shaded pieces out of the 8 total pieces. Alright. So let's take a look at C. Here, we still have 1/2, but now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows. So that's 1/2 times 6, which will give you 6/12. And now for D, have 1/2, and now we have 7 rows. So multiply by 7, so you get 7/14. Alright, now number 2, decompose the shaded fractions into small units using the area models. Express the equivalent fractions in a number sentence using multiplication. So here we have 1/3. Let's see, we can split that 1/3 into halves. So split it in half. Then now we made two rows of 3. So we made 2 rows. So that means we'll do 1/3 times 2. Should give you 2/6. So you can see 2 shaded pieces out of the 6 total pieces. For B, we have 1/4. Let's see if we divide that 4 into thirds. So we made 3 rows. So now we do 1/4 times 3, which would give you 3/12. Alright, next page. C. Here we have 1/5. So you can break 1/5 into half again. So this is 2 rows of 5. Not 5. Well, 1/5. So multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 2. So you get 2/10. 2 out of the 10 total pieces are shaded. And also, when you're multiplying fractions, it's really important that you multiply both top and bottom, numerator and denominator, because if you only multiply one side, then the fraction will not be the same and it will not be equal to the fraction it was before. Alright, now let's look at D. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 total pieces. That's 1/8. And if we split 1/8 into 3 rows, make sure you multiply both the top and bottom by 3. So you get 3/24. 3/24. Alright, now number 3. Draw 3 different area models to represent 1/4 by shading. Decompose the shaded fraction into 8ths, 12ths, and 16ths. Use multiplication to show how each fraction is equivalent to 1/4. Alright, so gotta draw 1/4. Shaded 1/4. And it's saying A, we have to separate this into 8ths. So 1/4, split in half, Then we do 1/4 times 2, which will give you 2/8. Because we made 2 rows. That's 2/8. And now for B, this is 1/4. Shaded in 1/4. So now B, we have to turn this into 12ths. So if you look at the denominator 2, we have a 4. And if you know your multiplication facts, we know that 4 times 3 is 12. So to get to 12 as our denominator, you need to split this into rows of 3. Because then you can multiply by 3 on both sides. You get 3/12. And for C, 4. So I get 16. 4 times 4 is 16. So make this into rows of 4. We give you 4/16. So yeah. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video helps. And please don't forget to like and subscribe because it really helps on my channel. See you guys next time. Bye!